Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm excited to share a brand new method for getting unlimited simoleons and lifestyle points in The Sims FreePlay. This trick is a game changer, and I can't wait to show you how it works. Let me start by opening up the game to prove that it really works. As you can see, I have an insane amount of simoleons and lifestyle points. With this, you can basically buy anything you want in the game, making your gameplay experience even more fun and exciting. The best part is that this method works for both Android and iOS devices, and it doesn't require any special skills like jailbreaking or rooting your phone. It's simple, safe, and anyone can do it. All you need to do is watch this video and follow each step carefully. So, if you're ready to take your game to the next level, keep watching this video. I promise it will be worth your time. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have all the simoleons and lifestyle points you could ever need. Let's get started with the tutorial. First, let's start by adjusting a couple of settings to optimize your device for this app. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that background app refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called rocketmods.com. Rocketmods is a website where you can find many apps and games with amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for The Sims FreePlay and click on it. Here you will see some information about the app. To start the download, click on the green button and wait some time for the installation to finish. However, there is one more step that you need to complete before you can finish the installation. This step may vary depending on your device model and operating system, and usually involves some pretty simple steps. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick, and there will be a video tutorial on how to complete it. Just follow the instructions, and you should be fine. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.